there's not much left for me to do now apart from literally watching paint dry. One of the things I didn't show was me building this piece here because my phone decided to lose its battery again. But yeah, either way, I made this piece and then I covered everything with sim sealer, which is absolutely nasty. I also put sim sealer all around the welds. Might be overkill, might not, I don't know. I just don't want it to rust again. Well, it's gonna rust, but I just don't want it to rust faster, let's call it. But yeah, so metalwork is done. Sim sealer is done. I'm gonna put Dinitrol on top of it once this all dries. And I need to do these two holes. Transfer these two holes onto here. And then yeah, that's basically it. You also on the previous footage you guys then saw me drilling all the holes and putting the clecos in. And if you guys don't know what a cleco is, it's basically this. So you use a cleco plier, and this is how it works. You see these this little plate in the middle. You shove it into the. This is a 3mm one. You put it in a hole, and then once you press it, you see that this comes out. This extends, and it just keeps everything in place. This is used in like aeronautics to like put like plane panels on and stuff. But everyone keeps using these on cars. They're cheap. You can get them on Amazon and stuff. What I did notice though is that the plier tends to be more expensive than the clecos. But yeah, so all I need to do now, wait for this to dry, wait for everything to dry, make these holes onto the seal, paint this, scuff this up and put Dinitrol in here, and then it's weld the seal in, and that's it. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna go home, have dinner, and thank you all for watching, and see you on the next one. Take care.